I was literally just here, right? You're like, you just made a video. I know, but we got to fill in our debt tracker. So it's me, Mila Rose, back again for another video. If you like videos about designing a life you love, go ahead and hit subscribe. I'll see you all in a minute as we fill in our debt trackers. Yeah, I suppose I haven't filled this in for quite some time because it does not seem to be filled out much at all, which is fine. So we're using the light blue from our Sharpie accents, and our debt total. Oh, I kept using the same page. Our debt that we owe now is roughly, it's still at 8,000. So we'll fill in up to I want to wait till I get under the 8 to actually fill that in. So this will go pretty quickly. So we're filling in the 10, we're filling in the 9. And then I'll probably come back in a couple of months and do the next ones. Or maybe I'll come back next month because I think I'll be able to fill in. Ooh, I streaked it. Fill in 2. I do need to fill in this one though. Probably could have done this in the other video. Because we are now, like, our car payment was the only one that was left. So now we can fill in all the rest of this. So let's get that done. That'll be nice. I was talking in my last video. Are we even at that point yet? Not quite, but just about. So I'll go ahead and fill this in. I was talking in my last video about how I'm making moves towards buying the house. And I'm just kind of like, meh about that. But I definitely don't have any qualms or issues with paying down debt. So that's good at least. That went nice and fast. So we're owing just a little bit more, a little bit over 8,000 still left in consumer debt. And that's it, y'all. That's it for rounding out the debt trackers. As you can see though, let's have a little chit chat then, since this video went by so fast. I do have space on here for student loans. I am still paying one of my student loans back because it did not qualify for a deferral. So I already have space for the one I'm paying back for this one, and then space to start my next one because y'all, I got so many student loans that I want to start paying some of them off. Want to really make sure I'm not just building debt and building debt and building debt. So I need to start tracking these. It is what it is. I got to start tracking them. Got to make more progress. Got to keep up with where I am and where I'm going. Make sure my money works for me. So next month, let's get started. Let's start looking at these student loans. All right, super short video, but we're making progress. We're making progress on our debt. You know, we still have a ways to go though, as you can see. But the goal is to pay it off for this year. And if we do about 1,000 a month, we are in, well, it's April now, but we have April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November. We'd be done by November. But as I talked about in my debt video, I get to have, this is my 3rd paycheck for the month in April, the next one coming up. So I'll have the extra money coming out that I usually pay, which is about 400 and something. I have the regular car payment that I pay, and then I'll have an additional amount that I'm going to share with you all when I actually do my 3rd paycheck budget breakdown. So we're going to get to make a nice big old payment this month in April. So I might be back next month filling in this. I might go ahead and wait till May and maybe just do debt tracker updates every other month. So we'll see. Because I don't like doing super short videos, but I definitely don't want to just drag it out. So I will let you all know. Thank you for watching. I hope that you're making progress on your goals. Let me know how things are going. Have a great day. I'll talk to you later. Don't forget, y'all, subscribe to this channel for more videos. Let me know what you're interested in seeing more of. And I hope you're making really great progress. I'll see y'all later. Have a good one. Bye-bye.